Hi, garlic, onion. Today I'm going to make pulled pork with a boneless petite pork shoulder roast. Now I made pulled pork quite a few times in the pressure cooker, but I don't think I made it in like a year. And I wanted to make it because I want to eat it. And I figured I'd show it to you. This is my Go Wise pressure cooker. I believe this is an 8-quart. Go Wise USA. Just a different brand. And I like this one because it shows you the amount of pressure inside the pressure cooker. I'm hungry. Want to see how easy this is? This is so easy. It's so easy I'm going to put it in for 90 minutes and take a nap. Here, I'll show you. Let's plug it in first because I'm going to brown this meat. Well, it's set for an hour and 30. I want to set it for saute. Oh, cancel that. What? Saute. Put a little olive oil inside. Oh, and we're going to use Red's barbecue sauce. Bulgogi. Let me get my glasses. Hang on. Not that I need them. Bulgogi barbecue sauce. A Korean-inspired Yooper wave of flavor. If you don't know what Yooper is, it's from the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Yooper. Upper Peninsula. UP. This is from Stephen Ashley. Remember we opened that box of goodies the other day? I didn't open this yet, but I want to smell it.
Your lid popped out.
I got it. Listen. Ooh, that's different. It's like soy sauce. You smell that? Yeah, the main ingredient is soy sauce here.
Oh, take a taste. Wow.
Ooh, that's going to be different. They know how to make it in Upper Michigan.
Wow, that's good. I never
Thanks.
tasted anything like that.
Thank you, Stephen Ashley. If I forget to say it again later. There's a little bit of olive oil in there. We're warming up. It's getting warm. I'm going to cut up some onion and some garlic. My assistant will do that for me.
Sure thing.
Let this warm up a minute or two. I made these with bone in. I made them twice as big, but this is, how many pounds is this? 4.5 pounds. Almost 5 pounds. 4 3/4 pounds. Something like that. Open it up. So easy. Think we hear a sizzle yet? Look at that nice piece of meat. We're just gonna brown the edges of it. Oh, that's the spicy flavor, right?
Watch it. I think we might try a little at a time when we pour that on.
I was going to put the whole jar in there.
Think about it.
It's going to be good. That will release itself when it's browned enough on one side. There's the onions. Here's the smashed up garlic. Well, you smashed them up for me too. That's good. Thank you. Garlic, onions, rolls we got over there. Look at these. Oh yeah. Boy, just that jar being open, it smells so good. We don't want to cook it like this. We're just browning the edges. Fork. Oh, look at that nice brown on it. Put the onions in now. How's that? Think we shouldn't use that whole jar of sauce? It says 96 servings on it, and you're supposed to use what, a teaspoon for a serving?
It's concentrated, so maybe try stirring it up and
yeah, stir it up.
Spicy. And that one little taste we had.
Well, you know me, I always use a whole jar.
It's not like our usual barbecue.
Okay, I'll pour half of this on the meat, and I'll put water in the pot because we need water to bring up the steam, you know, for pressure. Let's roll this meat around a little more. I already did this without browning it. This smells so good just like it is. Look at that. Yeah, these tongs weren't going to lift that out of there. I can't wait. Nice. Oh, those onions smell so good now. All right, I think that's browned good enough. I'm gonna put this rack in the bottom. You really don't have to, but it's gonna be nice to pull it out. Although it might just fall apart when it's done. So, let's scrape up the onions too, get them on top of the meat, right? Damn onions, oh, look at them onions. Oh, I lost my onions. Put this on a rack for a second. Hang on, bear with me. I'll get these onions out. That smells so good, doesn't it? Yes. And the bottom is all caramelized, which is going to release into the sauce. Put that down with the rack. The onions in there. I'm going to add my garlic now. You don't want to add garlic when you're browning because it'll burn up. You see that okay? Minced garlic. How'd you mince that so good? You're making a mess everywhere you go. Oh, now it smells good. Okay. Cancel this mode. I'm going to go manual. High pressure. Time. 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's it. And since it's already hot in there, the pressure is going to come up real quick. I'm going to use half of this jar. All right, Steve and Ashley. Maybe he wouldn't even use it this way. But that's the first thing I thought of, a nice pulled pork. Yooper. Oh, it smells so good. That's gonna infuse with the pressure. That's about half a jar. Okay, that's half a jar. I'm gonna put at least a cup and a half of water in the bottom. I don't want to rinse off my goodies there. I had 2 cups in here. That's about a cup and a half. Put the whole thing in. 2 cups of water. We need water in the bottom to create pressure. Anything you're cooking. Okay, that's it. But do I want more sauce on there?
No.
I do.
Taste it first.
Yeah, then we can always pour this on our sandwich at the end if we think we didn't have enough, right?
Or when you pull it apart.
Yeah, pull it apart. And
Let's taste it because it's new to us.
because it's pulled pork and we're going to pull it apart. Put your lid on.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah, put it in pressure mode right here. And that's it. Just wait. I'm going to let the pressure release naturally today. So that's going to be another 20 minutes at the end. But it's okay. You can set this and forget it because this will go on keep warm. Your pressure cooker will too. Any pressure cooker you have. They usually go to a keep warm mode at the end. This is the Go Wise USA. When it comes up to pressure, you'll see there's an amount of pressure in there. Usually between 8 and 14 pounds for high pressure. That's one thing we like about this brand. That's it, right?
Right.
When it comes up to pressure, I'll show you, but then I'm going to take a nap, okay? And I'm going to set my alarm for just about 2 hours for me to wake up. Okay? That's so good. Whew.
I'm telling you, it's spicy.
It's good. Reds. Okay. When it comes up to pressure, I'll show you. Then I'm going to lay down because I want to, because it's Sunday. Right? What's on now? Brady Bunch. Ooh, listen. See, that's going to come up to pressure real quick. Listen. Because it's hot in there.
Hey, Rick. Can you read what are some of the main ingredients in there?
The main ingredient is soy sauce.
There you have it. Okay.
There it comes. Look how quick that pressure came up. It was less than 2 minutes. And soon it'll say, what do you want to guess? 8.46 or something like that. And this won't start cutting down until it's up to pressure. You know that. Oh, my Go Wise. I like Go Wise because they also make a 14 quart. Remember, we have that real big one. And now they make a copper color and everything. It's pretty nice. There it is. There it comes. See the pressure building up? That's what I like about this. That would be about low pressure right there. High pressure is between 8 and 14. I do believe. Arise, old pressure cooker, arise! Here we are. And it's going to regulate throughout the cooking process. You'll see it go up and down as it needs. It's a smart one. But remember, you could do this in any pressure cooker. There you go. What did I say, between 8 and 14? And that's where it's going to stay for a little while. High pressure. There you go. Okay, I'll be back. You gonna have a bite? And them nice rolls. Everything rolls. Ooh, they got everything on them rolls. That sauce is so good. I still got a taste in my mouth. See you soon. Look at that. Any pressure left in there? Nope. Okay. The time is come. Ready to look inside? Still one piece. Kind of. Oh, smell it. Oh. Let's do this. Oh, look at it, see? Tender. Oh, it fell apart. Oh, look at. All right, let me get it out. Use that rack. Take a taste of that, though, huh? Oh, boy. A little bit of taste I had. See, a little chunk fell off in there. Wow, what a taste that is. Tastes kind of toasty. All that nice au jus in there. See my au jus? Au jus like to taste that, huh? I'm kind of glad you didn't let me pour the whole jar on there like I was going to. Let's pull it apart in this type of bowl, right? Can I pick it up now? Watch.
Oh.
I don't have to pull it apart. I squeeze it apart. And if there was a bone in there, we would have pulled right out like we did many times. Shred this up a little bit, if you'd like to. Pour some more juice in there, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Hey, ladle! Hey, ladle, your supper's done. Onions and garlic down in there. Where's my bun? Time to eat. Ooh, look at that bun. And look at this. Look at that nice piece of meat. Look at it. Okay. Remember, that was Reds. Just put it on the bun, right? I have coleslaw. I was going to put it on, but I may just want to taste this flavoring, you know. But like you said, if it's too spicy, that might cool it off, right? Mm-hmm. Wow, how tender. But I did get these spicy garlic pickle chips in that nice box they sent us. That's always good on top, isn't it? We got a lot of juice back there we could pour on here. Or if we don't eat all this today, we'll pour the juice in there. Look at this. Pickles and all. Not too spicy, are you? It sure is good. What a flavor. I'm glad I only used half of that. Now I could use it again. Is it spicy? Is it? It's not bad spicy. It's good. Kind of toasty, like Korean inspired. Yooper wave of flavor. Thanks again, Steve and Ashley. Juicy and tender. So it wasn't that easy. You just put the pork in there. You didn't even have to brown it. If you want to save a step. Whatever pressure cooker you have. But that was the Go-Wise today. I used the Instant Pot. I used the Kasori. Cook's Essential. Thanks for watching. Try this. Try this and that. Try it all. You want to have some?
Oh yeah, I'm going to have some.
Okay. Talk to you soon. Please subscribe and make this in your pressure cooker. We're going to eat some more. See ya. Take your mask off.